Okay. It would help to have a commentary.
Yeah, well, you're talking anyway, so. Okay, the brass piece goes in there, and then you have this little nipple or the two-sided male threading that goes in here. And when you do that, it just goes inside. The O-ring there seals. The O-ring exists so the water doesn't come back up when you do the diversion.
Oh, good.
Okay, and then you install this on the wall on the way back, and on the back you actually have another coupling, and then attach the other pipe. That's it.